flexing my coconut, guys. Did you see my coconut? Oh, that's my coconut. The view is nice here in province, guys. As you can see, ang ganda ng sikat ng araw, guys. Oh. In the province, it's very nice. Flexing the beauty of province. At yan, mainit ang panahon, guys. Ang ganda ng araw for today's shorts ka, so flexing the beauty extension. Let's go there, guys. Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw, guys. Wow. Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw, guys. Dito sa province. Let's go in the inside. Hi, guys! Flexing my baby girl. What are you doing there? What are you doing? Say hi to our followers. Hi, guys! Say hi. Welcome to my vlog. Patayin mo, manak.
Irene Rose Wilson, Gabriel Colocado, Stephanie Magno, Andres Santos, Stella Marisa.
Hi, say hi to our vlog kasi Hi, guys! Say hi to our followers.
Alnor Tanupan, Marcel Patrón,
Very fit.
Jane Gama, Vilma Nuriel, Mark Angelo Miguel, Bailan De Castro, Natalie Estremera.
Ang ganda po ng sikat ng araw, guys. We don't have banana.
Banana is my favorite
Oh, say hi. Say hi to our fans. You sing a song.
Banana.
You sing a song for
I
them.
want banana.
Later, I gonna buy for
I
you.
want banana.
Bye, guys. That's all for today.
Banana. Banana. I love banana. Banana.
Bye, guys.